let's learn about vegetables. Let's go! Yay! What is this? Potato. What is this? Pumpkin. What is this? Radish. What is this? Spinach. What is this? Tomato. What is this? Broccoli. What is this? Cabbage. What is this? Carrot. What is this? Cauliflower. What is this? Eggplant. What is this? Capsicum. What is this? Ladyfinger. What is this? Lettuce. What is this? Mushroom. What is this? Onion. What is this? Peas. What is this? Celery. What is this? Sausage. What is this? Chilies. What is this? Cucumber. What is this? Garlic. What is this? Ginger. What is this? Bell pepper. What is this? Spring onion. What is this? Sweet potato. What is this? Corn. What is this? Bamboo shoot. What is this? Asparagus. What is this? Beans. What is this? Turnip. What is this? Beetroot. What is this? Bitter gourd. What is this? Bitter gourd. What is this? Pointed gourd. Hi kids, hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.